Hi, this is Ken. How's everything going? Let's get back to where we left. So this is actually the first kata, which is a word on Codewars for question. I'm not sure this word is from Japanese or not, but it sounds like Japanese. So in the future, I will call questions as katas. So stop spinning my swords. Oh, sorry. Stop spinning my words. The question asks us to write a function that takes in a string of one or more words and returns the same string but with all five or more later words reversed. And the string will only consist of only letters and spaces. As an example shown here, the string "Hey fellow warriors" will be returned as "Hey fellow warriors" with fellow and warriors reversed because they have five or more letters in the word. Let's start and see what is a code will be given to us. After reading the question, so I think it's quite straightforward. Basically, because the string given in will only consist of letters and spaces, so I think we can use a way to split the string into a list of words and then determine it has five or more letters in the word. And if it has five more words, then let's just reverse it and return. Okay, let's get started. So, what I'm thinking is that we can use the built-in function split to split the sentence into different words. And then we can pick up those words in the sentence one by one by using the list comparison if my memory is correct. So we can return the word if the length of the word is smaller than 5, or we can return it reversely. I think after this we get a list of words, either they are reversed or not, depends on their lengths. Then what we can do is to join them together. With space. And let's see how it goes. Cool, looks like we got a correct answer. Let's submit and move to the next one.